Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a house that was recently reduced in price. It is located at Grovedale Drive, which is off Onnet Crescent in Kingston. This house was recently beautifully renovated. It has floor space of 2,500 square feet. It comes with 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. This home also comes with a double master and is suited for an extended family that wants to retreat in comfort and modern convenience. This property boasts paving stones on the exterior and recessed lighting. There is surround sound system, high quality kitchen, bathroom designs and finishes, among other delights. The land area is approximately 6,098 square feet. Please call for a viewing today. Guys, let's take a look at this house. And please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 65 million or US $422.3 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.